Okay, dear student, as per request, I'm making this video class. Okay, one of you sent me this question and telling that you're feeling blank for this. So you see, the first question is that which does P represents? Okay, so if you read the question carefully, you'll find that in this investigation, there are 30 species of mosses. There are 30 species of mosses. And obviously you'll be reading these things in detail, but I'm not reading it that much. And the question is that out of these 30 species, some of them are classified under class 1 and some of them are classified under class 2. If species of mouse belong to one of these two classes of mouse, that means there are 30 species of mouse, and among them, some of them will be under this class, some of them will be under this class. For example, all living organisms are either classified under eukaryotes or prokaryotes, kind of like this. It's not the very thing, but there are 30 species of mouses, and some of them are under class 1, some of them are under class 2. So very good. And so here you are observing the size of the genome. So x-axis is representing the increase in the genome size. That means just imagine this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can tell me, sir, what is that? I'm just gazing it because I just said that increase the genome size. As we are going along the x-axis, it is showing that size of the genome is increasing. So what does it mean? It means that consider that the genome size 2 is found one time. For example, this is genome size 3, it is found 4 times. This is genome size, for example, 4, it is found 9 times. This is genome size 5, it is found, for example, 7 times, isn't that? So what is frequency, dear student? Frequency means the abundance is actually how many times it is found out of the total number. That means, isn't it? The frequency means how frequent it is. So you see, out of 30, for example, genome size 2 is found 1, genome size 3 is found 4 times, genome size 4 is that one. And for these, for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, this is the hypothetical number. Don't take it as a fixed one. I'm just showing you that as we are going along the x-axis, the number is increasing. Okay, so what does it mean? So it means that, okay, the genome size 3 is found 1 times, genome size 4 is found 4 times, genome size 3 is found, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is found, for example, 2 times, isn't that? Okay, so the question is that which does P represent? So the answer cannot be A and C. Why? Because this is the histogram. It is not the bar chart. If it is a bar chart, the graph would be like this. There should have been gap between the bar. Is a histogram. So answer should be B and D, isn't that? So then you try. B is telling that the maximum genome size on histogram. No, dear. The maximum genome size is here. 5. Here P is this one. P is showing the frequency. So P is showing that this genome size 4 is found 9 times. So P is showing the maximum, the frequency of its genome size. So, okay, genome size 4 is found 9 times. So this is the frequency. Isn't it? You might be confused. The answer is obviously going to be D. Why? because D is showing the mode of the genome size. So what is mode there, student? If I write this as a, so mode actually is the value that appears most often in the set of data, isn't it? So what did you learn in math actually? In normal math, most of you have learned this concept that what is mode? So mode is the a value that appears most often in a set of data. Isn't that in a set of data values? So that's the reason the answer is okay. So P is the frequency highest is showing the highest frequency. That means it is found more frequent, and that's the mode. The mode is the value that appears most often in the set of data. So that's the reason the answer is mode, and obviously is the histogram. So mode of genome size. So you see, so P is representing that which genome size is most frequent. So yes, so this genome size is most frequent. It is showing that increasing in genome size. So it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. So he is showing that genome size 4 is the most frequent one. That means this graph is simply showing the genome size and the frequencies in terms of histogram. Is that? Okay, so answer will be D. And the next question, one of the genome size is missing in the graph. Calculate the frequency. So let's try. Oh my God, I have rubbed it. So you see here the frequency is 1. Here the frequency is 4. Here the frequency is 7. Here the frequency, sorry, here the frequency is 9. Here the frequency is 7. And in this case, this is the frequency of 1. This is the frequency of 4. This is the frequency of 2. So add the frequency. So what is frequency? Okay, how many times it is present out of the total number, isn't that? So if you add these things, if you add all these things, that means 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7. So it is 9 and 7, 16, 40, 21. And this one, you see, 1, 4, 2, that means 7. So total 28. So you see, out of 30 species, we found this genome size 28 times. So one is missing. So which one is missing? Obviously, 30 minus 28 equal to 2. So that's the reason the answer will be 2. I think you got the point. Okay, actually we'll be solving this paper later on. Okay, and yes, some of you are trying a different paper at home. That's very good. That will help you, and that's a very good thing. So take care. Allah Hafiz.